So this is today's job. We have to take the wheel off because the bearing's one. Yeah, the bearing is actually one. So we have to take the wheel off. So those also obviously go in here. That's the bearing there. But to get them off, you've got to put the crane on and pull it off. The bearings are one. But we're not allowed to change bearings. We don't change bearings. We're not allowed. It's a specialist job. So our job was just to take the wheel off, and the bearing man's coming tomorrow. The bearing man. SKF, the bearing manufacturer, SKF. So one of their people will come tomorrow with a special hydraulic puller thing to pull the bearing off. Yeah, specialist job there, a job we don't do. We do not change bearings. Specialist job. There's one. Yeah, it's not everything that we touch on trains. Certain things get sent off to be repaired. Certain things.